How to find the saved game files located on PC of Ghost of Tsushima. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you on locating the game files for your game. Firstly, open the File Explorer. Next, navigate to the Document section and enter the designated folder. Within that, proceed to another folder until you reach the location of the saved game files. For those utilizing the OneDrive, expand the OneDrive section and locate the respective icon. Access the Documents folder, proceed to the Games folder, and finally reach the saved game files. Alternatively, you can access the saved game file by heading to the PC, opening the C drive, then exploring the Users folder, followed by the Username folder, Documents folder, Game folder, and the subsequent folders to find your saved game files. This method provides you with another route to access your saved data. So this was all about it. This is how you can find the saved game files of Ghost of Tsushima located on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.